The power sports industry needs qualified technicians to service motorcycles, ATVs, boats, snow machines, and more.
Doing everything from top-end rebuilds to bottom-end to just carburetor work and wiring.
Welding, you get the fabrication, the painting, boats, working on those motors, then working on the ATVs and the Harleys. I mean, you can literally work on anything you want.
Well, on a typical day, I get here, greet the teachers, get on their good side, you know, because they like kids like that. I'm more towards the boats, but I do like the four-wheelers and motorcycles.
The bike build is a lot of fun because we got to take everything off it, paint it, come up with our own design, and we got to do every step of it how we want, and then we got to take it to the bike show. We have a lot of fun in here.
In just 2 years, you could be in a high-powered career working with all types of engines.
I chose MTI because the Power Sports program is the only program in the state, and MTI is a great school to go to attend it.
When I graduate here from Mitchell Tech, I want to hopefully own my own shop.
Get ready to ride with power sports and marine technology at Mitchell Tech. Check out mitchelltech.edu.